average pay for a U.S. welder that work for someone else using their equipment and all of their PPE or whatnot is $16 to $22 an hour. So if you want to make the top pay, which is $22 an hour, what is some of the skills you need to know to be able to get the top pay? I would say there's three main things you need to know. Number one, you need to know how to weld, wire, and stick. That way, most shops go build things in the shop and they install things, and sometimes you might be a field installer. So sometimes the field installers make more money, and sometimes the fabricators make more money. It all depends, on the shop. So you need to know how to weld with stick and Fluxcore and hard wire, MIG 035, 045. And also, you need to know how to read prints, read shop drawings or field drawings, and be able to install. So you need to be able to learn how to install. After you read the prints and you see what's going on, you need to be able to determine and troubleshoot how to get this certain piece of metal in or whatnot. The third thing you need to know how to do is operate equipment. Just the basic equipment from, sky tracks, genie lifts, boom lifts, scissor lifts, stuff like that. Because sometimes, majority of the time, you'll be operating in certain equipment to put certain things in. So it's very good to know how to use the equipment to benefit what you're doing to get the job done. So those are the three things that you need to know how to do. Weld, stick, and wire, be able to read prints and be able to install, and also be able to operate equipment. If you can be able to do all three of those things, and it takes a few years for some, but once you can get that, you can get that top pay just for working for someone. $22 an hour isn't that bad. Hold on.